Are you trying to update your content in multiple columns using Vlookup? And every time you have to write the column index number manually. Here are something you can do to save your time.
Here we have to update the employee information for the given employee which contain old information. In the next sheet, we have all the latest one. So when you need to find a value in a table by row wise, we use VLOOKUP. So here we need to update the job title, department, business unit. And here we have the latest one. Okay. So we will apply VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP, lookup value, comma, table range. Table range we will take from employee ID till country, comma, the job title in the third position, so third column index 3, comma, we want exact match 0, enter. Okay, so we got the latest updated job title for this employee ID. So if we want to update the department as well, so either we can copy the formula, paste here, and move the column index value to 4. Okay, so it will take time if we have many column. So instead, if we try to drag, let's try to drag. Okay, so we end up changing our lookup position. So let's check the values whether it is correct or not. Marketing, manufacturing, marketing, and research and development. So this is giving me the value by looking up job title. That is the reason we end up getting wrong result. So instead, we want to automate this part. The column index will move according to the column, but our lookup value will be constant, and the table as well. So we want to fix the A, but we want to this row to move down. So for that, what we can do, before that we have to understand how we can automate the column index number. For that, you have to use another Excel inbuilt function which is called column. Let me explain how the column function works. Column, so it is asking me to give the reference. For example, if we give B1, let's see what it will return, 2. Okay, if here we change it to A1, then it will give me 1. So if we drag, what happens? Okay, it is giving me a sequence of number, and the reference is also changing, like C1, D1. If we move downwards, okay, it's constant. So it means that if we use column function, our according to our column reference, we are getting the value. So here what we can do, instead of writing 3, we can give here column function, and here we want 3, so it means we will select C. Okay, now it is moving. Now we have to make A constant because we don't want A to shift to B. Okay, so for that, to make it absolute, we have to fix A by typing function key F4. we want A to be fixed, so now A is fixed. At the same time, we have to fix the table. Enter. Now let's drag. Okay. Now check the values. Marketing, manufacturing. Correct. Let's do the same for the whole. Control D. Let's pick anyone to cross verify whether it is coming correct or not. Analyst, sale, corporate. Analyst, sales, corporate, US. Correct. Let's check another one. Operation engineer, engineering, manufacturing, US. Correct. So here how we can automate the VLOOKUP.